If CapCut is showing error code 22 and your export keeps failing on PC, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is especially helpful if your rendering gets stuck, your export freezes at the same percentage every time, or CapCut just refuses to finish the video. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut fixes and editing tips. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is turn off hardware encoding. Sometimes CapCut's performance settings can cause export issues, especially if your computer is struggling with the graphics processing during rendering. To do this, open CapCut and go either to the home page or directly into your project. Then click on Settings and go to Performance. Inside the Performance options, look for the setting called Speed Up Hardware Encoding. Uncheck that option. Once it's turned off, click Save. After that, close CapCut completely and restart it. Then go back and try exporting your project again. In many cases, this alone can fix error code 22. If that doesn't solve it, the next step is to clear your cache. Over time, CapCut can build up temporary files that may interfere with editing or exporting, especially on larger projects. To clear the cache, go back into Settings, then Performance again. Look for the cache section and click Delete, usually shown with a trash icon. A confirmation message may appear, so click OK to continue. Don't worry, clearing the cache will not delete your actual project files, so your edits are still safe. This just removes temporary data that may be causing the error. Now, if your export always stops at the exact same percentage, like 50%, 80%, or any other fixed point, that usually means there's a problem with something specific on your timeline. In that case, you need to locate the exact timestamp where the export is freezing. Go to that spot on your timeline and look carefully for any clip, effect, transition, or overlay that might be causing the issue. Try deleting that item first. If you still need it in the project, you can replace it with another version or simplify the effect. Sometimes, one broken clip or heavy effect is all it takes to trigger CapCut Error Code 22. Another thing that can help is exporting with safer settings. If your current export settings are too demanding, CapCut may fail during rendering. For the best balance of quality and stability, set your resolution to 1080p. Keep the bitrate on recommended. Use the H.264 codec and export in MP4 format. These settings are usually much more stable than higher quality or more demanding formats, especially if your device is having trouble processing the timeline. So just to recap, if you're getting CapCut Error Code 22, first turn off hardware encoding, then clear your cache, then check the exact point where the export freezes, and finally switch to safer export settings like 1080p, recommended bitrate, H.264, and MP4. One of these fixes will usually get your project exporting again, without the crash. If this video helped you fix the problem, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll keep making more easy CapCut troubleshooting tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.